Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeform account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a new workspace in your Typeform account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a new workspace in Typeform anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, like maybe an agency, you're probably going to work with a lot of different companies and clients. So you can separate them by different workspaces to keep it more organized. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Typeform account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Typeform account, and this is the homepage. Now here on the homepage, if you want to go ahead and create a new workspace, what you're going to do is here on the top, you see these three options. You want to make sure you clicked on Forms. Once you've clicked on Forms, you're going to look down to the left. There's this button here called Workspaces. So you can see I have one workspace right here, but we're going to go ahead and add another one. So just click on this plus icon. Okay, now you can go ahead and name your workspace. So for example, if I'm running an agency and I do forms for a Mexican restaurant and a Chinese restaurant, maybe I'll go ahead and name this one Mexican restaurant. Okay, and create workspace. Okay, now you can see I have two workspaces here. So to kind of clear it up a little bit better, what I'm going to do is this one's generally by default named my workspace. Let me click on it. And then you're going to see the name of the workspace right here. Let me go ahead and click on these three dots and rename it. Okay, so this one's going to be named Chinese restaurant and save. Okay, so now when I am working in my agency, if I'm going to be making some changes to the Chinese restaurant, I can click right here. And if I want to go ahead and make changes to the forms inside my Mexican restaurant, I can click right here. Now, if for some reason, say maybe one of the clients you're no longer working with and you need to remove one of the workspaces, you can go ahead and just click on the workspace, and up here next to the name, you're going to see these three dots. Just click there, and then you can delete that workspace. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a new workspace and organize it in your Typeform account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.